Hi everybody, my name is Mrs. Pratt and I'm with Lee County Agriculture in the classroom. You must be watching this because you got a bag like this from your teacher and it is full of stuff about corn. So I wanted to walk through with you some of the activities, show you what you might need, what to expect, little tips and things like that. The first thing you'll find is a little bit of an inventory sheet. It'll tell you some of the instructions for some of the activities as well, and what you can find in your bag. You'll have a corn ag mag, which is this right here, chock full of information about corn. I mean, we live in fields of corn around here, right? So why not learn a little bit more about them? There's a brochure all about popcorn and another one that's all about field corn. This would be feed corn, what we feed our animals, what ethanol is made out of. Actually, the inside of this one has a huge list of everything that we can find that we make corn out of, or things that we make from corn, I should say it that way. So very interesting list right there. You're also going to find a little bag of popcorn seeds. These are popcorn kernels that we grew on our farm. You'll find a bag that looks like that. I'll tell you about that in a minute. And then a bigger bag that's got a bunch of packing peanuts in it. So let me walk through real quick some of the activities that are listed on your inventory sheet here. The first one is to make oobleck, which I know you probably know how to do that. The recipe for making corn putty or oobleck is on the back of your ag mag right here. This is a great activity to really explore why we can make so many things from corn, because it's very versatile. So that's making oobleck. Then we can talk a little bit more about, again, why corn is so versatile using this packing peanut and this piece of styrofoam. So get yourself a couple of bowls. You'll fill those with water. And then put your corn, this is a corn-based packing peanut, put that in one bowl. And put your styrofoam in the other bowl and observe. Now, I didn't put any water in mine because I want you to figure out what's going to happen here. Talk a little bit about what corn packing peanuts are made out of. Corn, is that a renewable or non-renewable resource? What is styrofoam made out of? Oil, is that a renewable or non-renewable resource? So interesting observations can be made here with that activity. The other thing we've got going on is something called dancing popcorn. So you will have the sheet that gives you the exact instructions of how to make popcorn dance. But here's a couple suggestions. I would suggest that you have a tray or a cake pan or something like this to put your glass in before you start adding things, because it could get a little messy, which always makes things kind of fun. You'll put your popcorn kernels on the bottom of the glass. You just want enough that fills the bottom of the glass that you pick. And then follow the instructions and it will tell you what you need to add to your glass. You're going to be adding water. You will add, at some point, vinegar. And you will add baking soda. Do you know what's going to happen now? Well, you have to do the experiment to figure out. So that's dancing popcorn. The last activity and things that are included in your bag is called lick and stick packing peanuts, and this is lots of fun. So here's your big bag of corn-based packing peanuts. Now that you've learned all about corn, build something that represents what you learned. So these packing peanuts can stick together very simply by lick and stick, just like that. Now, if you don't want to lick, that's okay too. If you just get a paper towel, put it under some water so it's nice and wet, then you can just dab your packing peanut on that and it'll stick together just fine. So you can build all sorts of things with these. They squish, they tear. So let's see what you've got. That's your corn ag bag. I hope you have a lot of fun learning a little bit more about corn. Thank you.